You can see that the hazard switch doesn't work, and let's see if the turn signal switch, yeah, it doesn't work also, the turn signal switch. So the first step is to start with replacing the hazard switch, and then if it doesn't work, you have to replace the turn signal switch. But this is hard to do it. So first we have to remove those 3 buttons, and if you don't want to scratch the buttons, you have to use a trim toolkit. You can see that we already have, and you can find a similar one in the video description. We remove all 3 buttons from the dashboard using a trim tool. The first one is very easy to remove it. Then we have to remove the rear defrost button. You can try and push it from the back. You can use also the trim tool. It's a little bit hard to do it, but you can manage. So if you see those 2, we disconnect the wiring harness. Then in the same way you have to remove the hazard button. Try to push it from the back. So we disconnect the wiring harness and we replace the hazard button with a new one. You can find the hazard switch in the video description. Install all the buttons back on the dashboard. That's it. So now you can see that hazard switch is working, and also we will try to see on turn signal switch. Okay, so that's it. It was a problem with the hazard switch, so we don't need to replace the turn signal switch. If you have any suggestions, don't forget to write us in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.